Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Ganesha Made. Begin by preparing clay and a stable base, then sketch a simple armature for support, and shape the torso before adding limbs. Work from large to small forms, refining curves and balance as you go. Smooth surfaces with a damp sponge, and add fine details with small tools. Let the sculpture dry evenly to avoid cracks, and then finish with paint or sealant. Begin sculpting by building the main body mass, then create a head sphere and position it with care for natural tilt. Roll the trunk separately and blend its base into the face for a seamless look, then shape ears, tusks, and simple eyes. Attach arms and hands, arranging them for mudras or items like a lotus or sweet. Finish by refining textures and ensuring symmetry for a pleasing, balanced figure. Focus on details like eyes, crown, and symbolic items to bring personality to your Ganesha. Use fine tools for ornamental lines and texturing, and soften edges with a damp brush for a handcrafted look. Select paints that match your vision and apply thin layers to preserve sculpted depth. Seal with an appropriate finish to protect the work and enhance color, then photograph from multiple angles for sharing or portfolio use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.